Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you one software that can automatically colors your pencil drawings. So without any further more delay, let's begin. First you open any web browser, then go to this website, Paintjourner. I'll be posting this website link in the video description below so you can click on that too. Once you log into this website, as you can see the user interface, so what you need to do is click on upload sketch image. On clicking on the upload image, you search for your drawings and wait for a few seconds as it is detecting your drawings, and it will auto color your drawings. So wait for a few seconds. So here it is auto colored, so you can change different layouts in the above as you can see here. So we'll try different auto coloring options. If you are satisfied with the auto colorations of your drawings, then you can see below there is download options. So you can tap on the download. Then as you can see below the browser, the picture has been downloaded. You can open the file and check how is the coloration. So you can try one more color options here. So if you're satisfied with the colors, then you can download. If you're not, there's more features that you can colorize. And even in the left side there is an option of erase. You can pick colors. There's lots of colorations. Let's try the coloration. So here you can see a different color modes. So we'll try to upload the other pictures too. We'll see how well it performs with other pictures too. So you can see it's just like a watercolor paintings, and even if you're like those drawings, then you can click on the download. We'll try other coloration options, how the drawing looks in different color modes. So as you can see, it looks far better. It looks like a pencil colors. So if you're satisfied with the colors, then you can click on the download and save it on your computer. So in the different mode layouts, I'll show some more pictures. We'll try some more pictures. We'll test whether it really works with all the pencil drawings or not. So if you're satisfied with your color drawings, then you can click on download. We'll try one more filters, how the drawing look like. We'll try last one more picture. This one is little bit tricky one to colorize, as the drawing contains two portions. So let's see how we colorize these drawings. So in my opinion, it's really good. I think you should definitely try this software. And remember, this software is an eye based software, so it will detect your drawings, and depending upon your drawings it will try to color your pencil drawings. So in my opinion, you should definitely check these cool applications and should try it out by yourself. So what are you waiting for? If you're a fond of pencil drawings and you want to colorize your pencil drawings or pencil sketches, then definitely you should check this website and try it out by yourself. If you find this video information useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and like always, please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and lastly, thanks for watching.